Today, we want to talk about qualities of who I will marry. Who will I marry? That's what we are here to talk about. So I don't know. You can write on the comment section, who will you like to marry? Yes, the qualities of who you would like to marry. And number one is shared value. Someone who shares his old belief, morals and life goal. Sometimes I listen to people every time. My husband, no, they tell me anything. My husband, this and that. Before getting married, make sure these qualities are in the life of your husband. It's very important. Why do I say that these qualities should be there? You have to check. There are things that if they are not there, the thing is, say no to the person, say no to the man, say no to the woman. If these qualities are not there, why do we say this? The reasons why we say this is because it will be difficult when the person you want to marry cannot share. He cannot share his belief, his morals to you. He cannot share his view of views he has in some things to you. He cannot share his life goals. That's why you will not know that man have a house somewhere, he's building somewhere, or he's not building somewhere. That's because it has not been checked. Yeah, there are people pretending. Give a man at least 6 months. When you are in dating, do not accommodate some things. Allow the person to flow. Don't start teaching the person already. Allow that person to flow so that you will know whether this person is this an inborn. Another thing is emotional intelligence. Is this man emotional intelligence? A person who is self-aware. He knows and is able to navigate life challenging. When there is problem, even in that during your courtship, he has, when things are a problem, it's not somebody that will just fall down like that. He knows what to do. He knows how to run around. I will even check, is he someone who cannot do two businesses at a time? There are people who cannot combine two things. Because if the one he have at hand is no more there, that means he can't cope. You cannot train a child that the mother have finished training. Know it. I'm saying it. That person who have a mutual support, a partner who encourages and supports your dreams. Tell the person your dream. Don't keep your dream until when you get married. Then what are you discussing during the courtship? You need to tell the person your goals. Tell him your dreams. That time you will not know when he open his mouth mistakenly and say, he don't like this thing, this and that. He will start having long head with you. Let that person know that this is my no-go area. These are the things that when you do it, I will say no to this marriage. Let that person know about it. On time, during courtship. Let the person know your do and don't. A lot of women and men pretend during courtship. And now I'm talking to you men. Most men pretend during courtship. Because you will just keep quiet and be waiting for that marriage. It will give a difficulty in that marriage when someone is pretending. Men don't pretend. Women don't pretend. A lot of women also pretend, especially when a woman is above 30. You see the person pretending. Why are you pretending? This is the time that you have to say, this is my own. Your time. It is better you marry one. And in that relation, in that marriage, you are good and sound. Than marrying and become a trouble marriage. Why? Because there are some things you tolerated during the courtship, and now in marriage, you don't want to tolerate it. Be plain. Be who you are. Characters and intelligence. What level would I want this woman to stop? I want this woman to be here. I don't manage what you know you cannot manage in courtship. What you know you cannot manage in marriage, stop managing it in courtship. Is there any other thing that we needed to say? Say it in the comment section. Write it down in the comment section. And this is Love Ada Family TV.